Be bestie girl, this is what we got going on today.
You special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it.
I feel like I'm more than just budgeting, but I didn't know how to like piece it all together and make it make sense. So I'm really excited about that.
Good. Just intention. You know, do everything with intention.
Everything with intention. I wrote I'm gonna take a picture of my little fake diagram and send it to you so you can see.
Oh yeah, send that to
what I did. Yeah.
This was so good.
It was. Oh my God. All right. Hey, what's up, you guys? You guys just saw I was on a call with my good girlfriend, Kristyn Alexis. I absolutely love her, and she took the time out, well, we took the time out together to brainstorm about our channel. So one of the things I've been dealing with is like YouTube burnout or content creator burnout, or like, I feel like, look at my hair, look at this little bun. Just let me bring it down. Okay, so I've been dealing with mostly like creator burnout, just not knowing where to go. My biggest thing was like, okay, my goal was to get a house. I got the house. I got a new vehicle. Like, where do I go from here? And I'm very much so very humble. If you guys haven't noticed, like, I'm not really that big, and Shay will tell you guys this, like, I won't tell anybody I got stuff, like, at all. Like, when stuff happens, like, I'm like, yeah, hey guys, this is going on, and I'll tell them later. Think that's something that I grew up doing. But anywho, so with that, it made me feel like I don't know how to share my wins, and that's something that God had to work with me on. He really was like, okay, but I gave this to you, you've gotten this far, it's time for you to share how you got here and help somebody else stay motivated to get them there. Your battle may have been shortly won, but it's not over, because this is something that you wanted to do for everyone. Sorry, I'm trying to fix this. Like, this is like really bugging me. I don't know when this camera decided to act like this, but it can GTH. So anyway, talking to Kristyn like really got me motivated. As you guys saw on my iPad, I started like doing a umbrella, like, what do I want to do? Here are my things. This is what I want. And I'm just really excited, y'all. I'm super duper excited. So I'm about to actually get out of here. I have to go give some blood today. I have a deep cleaning crew at my site today that I hired, and so I'll be keeping up with them, kind of checking in throughout the day. My goal is to not go into work because I don't like babysitting nobody, but I may go up there tomorrow. And then I thought about redoing my nails, but I forgot I just did them last week, so not doing that. I need to come home, do some laundry. I'm telling you all the things that I need to do. I don't know if they get done today. I'm also suffering from fatigue. I talked to my doctor yesterday on Friday, and that's the best thing we could come up with, is that I am suffering from fatigue. So supposedly this weekend I should be sitting down and laying down, but my mama named Mary, so if y'all know anything about baby, ain't happening. But I do plan to rest. At 7 o'clock I'm going to see my good girlfriend. You guys are going to see Zayna. Make sure you guys follow her, Keys of Z. I have her linked over here. She has a whole YouTube channel. If you enjoy music, this is my boo thing, my boo. Her sound is just so amazing, and I'll link you guys to her songs too. She has a few songs out, and I'm super excited. So anyway, I'm gonna go hear her sing at 7. It's at a cigar lounge. I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I have no idea. With the weight that I have dropped, and I don't know if you guys can tell, I feel like my face is like going through it right now because I just had them. Anyway, I feel like I'm giving y'all all the tea, all the information. But I don't have cycles, and so when I have one, it's like really bad. As far as like my face begins to break out for real. I had a bump on my nose, bumps here, and I have been doing good. My face had cleared up, okay, clean and clear and under control, and then all of a sudden, boom. So anyway, I've lost some weight. Y'all know from the surgery that I had is not weight loss surgery at all. Body contouring is what happened. So with that, I keep looking over there like I need to go get on my Peloton. But I have lost weight as well on top of my surgery. So now my clothes are finally beginning to look like, please go shop. This sag right there in the front, like y'all ever had front sag? I'm gonna see if I can find a picture of front sag. It's bad. And yesterday I took a picture. I might show y'all. My room look horrible though. I had this jacket on that used to fit me like to the point I almost shouldn't have been wearing it anymore, and I was trying to zip it up and it would be kind of tight, like tight. But I put it on yesterday and it looks like it's a man's jacket, and I know for a fact it was a women's jacket that I purchased. So yeah, I'm just like, okay girl, it's coming through. The results are finally starting to come through. I saw it my birthday dress. I'll pop that in here. I could see like, okay, it was like body on body on body, okay. And the only thing I had done was upper and lower lipo. So I was telling you guys that to say, I'm not really sure what I'm gonna wear today because I'm running out of things that actually fit, that actually look decent, and it's raining outside and it's gonna be an inside event. It's a sit down event, so I don't really have to be like going to the club, but I still want to be cute. See, this is what I'm talking about. Focus. Can you focus on me? Can you just focus on me? Just focus on. Can you do that? Focus on me. Anywho, that's what we're doing today. That's the plan, and I have to get ready for church in the morning. We're wearing all black, so that takes the out of me having to worry about other stuff. So yeah, let's just follow along with me on my day. I'm gonna talk y'all to death. I don't care. I was talking to Kristyn about that, and so like I know back in the day we used to try to kind of like rush our vlogs, right? Take out this and take out that, and I like to talk. Do y'all like? I'll be having a conversation. I'm not the only child, but I'm the baby, and I grew up by myself. So I literally used to play store and house and all of that stuff. I had my own everything, okay, by myself. And so I'm used to talking to myself. It don't bother me none. So if y'all see me talking to y'all a lot more, it's because that's what's really on my mind. So if you don't like somebody to talk a lot, I'm your best friend. When you get on the phone with me, when you dial in, that's a girl, okay, y'all start calling her bestie girl. Call me. This is the phone call. Matter of fact, we should start the video off like this. Come on, autofocus. You gonna do me right today. Do me right one time. Okay. So I think we're gonna start the calls, like start our vlogs off like that. It's gonna be bestie girl. This is what we got going on today. Let me tell you about it. That's how we gonna do it. What y'all think about that? We gonna start it off like that. I think that's gonna be so dope. So I might have to edit that in to the front of the vlog, and then y'all will see why we're gonna start doing that. That way, it's like having a phone call with your girlfriend. You getting caught up with her, seeing what she got going on, and you along for the ride all day long. Y'all got them friends that y'all stay on the phone with all day long. She done went to the bathroom. She done went to pick their kids up, cook them dinner. She done went to work. Y'all still talking. Like, you know, you got that friend. I know y'all got. And if you don't, I just became her. So let me take look how far back this don't even make no sense, y'all. I had pigtails in my hair yesterday. I said we was finna go. Let's go. Alright, I feel like Kanye West. I just got some real bad news. So I tried to go donate some blood today, and I was told that I was flagged. Evidently I was flagged last year in regards to my blood. So it could have been, I'm trying to think. I know last year I wasn't feeling well, and I think I did take some aspirin before, but that was kind of like, it's almost like embarrassing, but you know, you're like, dog, I am healthy. Like if I would have had something, somebody would have, like, I would have got a notification already. So I'm wondering if they try to contact me. Last year I did have a voicemail, so I don't know if they try to call or if they sent something in the mail. Would I have opened it? I don't know. They said I would have got something in the mail, but I need to call. So yeah, I was like, dang, I was trying to come and be great, and I couldn't be great, but I got a t-shirt too. And yeah, so I'm gonna call them on Monday just to see what's popping, because they flagged me, was like, yeah, you can't give blood on today until. So the process is something I learned today as well. You have to go back and get retested. So then you can, once you take the test again, then you can donate blood or something like that. I don't know, child. I feel like I don't know. So tell me, has that happened to anybody else? I know Sheila was out there and she was like, it happened to her, and she had just taken her test. I'm like, shoot, I didn't know nothing. Cause hell, if I would have known, I wouldn't have got on down. You know, I wouldn't have made this 30-minute trip. But it's cool because I'm about to head into Collierville. I think I want to see if my place is open and see if I can get some spaghetti sauce. I want some bolognese sauce that they make out here. But anyway, so let me know, have y'all ever experienced that? So that kind of knocks down my time. What am I about to go do now? I'm about to go home. I'm gonna try to eat something, and then I'm gonna try to rest. I'm gonna try to rest until like 4 or 5 o'clock. I just got a report that the power is out at the job. So if the power is out, that means they can't do what they need to do there, which also means things are probably going crazy. No one has called me yet. I haven't got a chime or anything yet, so I'm just gonna pretend like I don't know until I have to know what's going on. We did recently have a power outage like a few weeks ago. I'll try to insert a picture. I don't want to insert the picture because I don't want to show y'all like how bad it was, but just know, like, your girl, afterwards I made a whole report about how we need to really have processes put in place for when the power goes out, because ain't no way that we should all be that close. Nobody knew what to do. Like, it just was out overwhelming and out of control. And again, it's still COVID. So even though some of us are vaccinated, we have those who don't believe in vaccination, some who put their mask down. It's a whole thing. So I'm just gonna pretend like I don't know that piece of information. I really had checked in because I can't find my wallet. I have my card, I have my ID and stuff like that, but I have missing like my whole little Notique wallet that I usually carry with me. So I'm thinking I left it on my desk because I was paying some bills yesterday. Not my bills, I was paying my job bills, and invoices and stuff, and I keep that card with me. It's my card. So anyway, that's all I was really checking on, and then that came through, and I'm like, I don't want to be bothered on this Saturday, okay? But anywho, so yeah, the plan is to go home, get something to eat on my way home, and probably just relax until about 5, and then I'll start getting dressed and get ready. But yeah, I'm gonna bring y'all on the road with me. Corey was just telling me he was gonna go to Dinner et Blanc. Have you guys ever been to a thing called Dinner et Blanc? I think a lot of places have it. One of the things I did not realize is that you have to bring your own table and I knew you had to bring your picnic basket because you go and you like get the stuff or whatever. And I knew that, but not about the table, and it's raining and all this. Like, who got time for that? Like, that's not me, said the cat, but it was $55 for them tickets. So I told him, I was like, well, go ahead and go if you can find a table. And I'm thinking, do I have a table at the house that they can get? But it would be a lot to carry that table and wearing white and in the rain. It's just, child, it wouldn't be for me. But I want to support if they want to go, you know what I'm saying? Like, because you just spent your money, so I want to help. So yeah, I think that's it. Oh, and I need to shop at Old Navy because they got 40% off, and I need some new jeans. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and run up a check real quick, and yeah, I'll be back. All right, so I just got out the shower, and I'm watching my new homegirl. This is our new homegirl. Her name is Gina, Jyneen, and y'all, she calls her besties, so we just all in one. Thank you, Kristyn, for introducing me to her, because she is literally a vibe. And Kristyn was like, yeah, I think you would vibe with her, like just her vibe and everything. So just kind of check her channel out. And I'm like, sure. And she went to a spin class today. Felt the same way. I feel like, yeah, give me just a minute, I'll be back. So I'm about to binge her channel while I wait on my food, because it ain't got here yet. I'm thirsty. So I'm about to give me some water for now. I told y'all I got a Canada Dry in there. I'm about to get it, but I'm trying to wait till whatchamacallit. So I'm about to wait. They are behind. They told me they would be here like right now is when they should be arriving, but they said the person was still on their way, blah blah blah. It's raining outside. I don't really care. I just want my food when I want my food. So I'm still on here because I found my battery charger, so I'm charging up all of my batteries, so we're not gonna have this problem going forward. I found out the table for tonight is gonna be $100. A part of me wants to pay that price. A part of me says, hell no. Okay, sorry. I'll make up songs all throughout the day. But anyway, I'm thinking no. So Travel's just like, yeah, just come early and save seats. So that's what I'm gonna do. So now the plan is to make sure I am ready to go and out the door by like 5:30. I mean, Lord Jesus, 6:30. It takes me 20 minutes to get downtown. But it's raining, so yeah, 6:30 puts me there about 7-ish. So I should be okay to get a good spot, because last time, like I said, we were sitting like behind the pole and it was cool, but like I like to be in the mix, you know what I'm saying? And so I want to get me a cigar and sit down. Do any of my ladies watching, do y'all smoke cigars? Like, let me know in the comment section if you've ever smoked a cigar. Do you like it, cigars? I actually do. I enjoy them, and it could be the guy in me that likes it, or just being around my brothers, you know, stuff like that. But I actually enjoy going to the cigar bar, and I have a good time. So this is like a double whammy for me, because I get to go to cigar bar, plus I get to see my girl singing. So I am just, like I said, I'm waiting on my food to come. I'm about to go get me some water to drink, sit down and chill till my food get here. I'll let y'all see what the food look like, if I can remember. Yeah, I told y'all to bear with me. Bear with your girl. Y'all see, I look like somebody mama right now. This is somebody mama just coming straight. I'm just, I don't need to show up to Bubba and them school like this. Hello. But anyways, I'll have her channel linked below. Alright, you guys, so I have made it home. I'm back. It is 1 something in the morning. Thank you guys for spending the day with me, kind of, sort of, listening to me talk, seeing my good girlfriend sing, hanging out with my friends. We did go down on Beale Street, but y'all, it was a little too jumping for me. I even changed my shoes, and I was like, first of all, I had on Puma shoes and Adidas, so I was feeling away about that anyway. But I have my camera battery ready to go. I didn't take it in, but I just took my my phone, so that was fine. I'm trying to think. Yeah, I'm about to wipe my face off, get ready to go to bed, and I had an amazing time. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today again. And yeah, let's see, maybe I'll end this vlog, maybe I'll keep it going till tomorrow. Maybe it's like a weekend vlog, only for the weekend. Okay, come on, for the weekend. Okay, that's it, guys. Love you guys in real life. I will catch you in the next video. Tell me some of your favorite things about the video down below, because that's what we do. I'll catch you guys later. Take care, bye.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you're doing alright.